Hi and good day to you, Dr. Sebastian. My name is Sehrish Binti Mohammad Shahzad and my metric number is 153359. The topic that I will be presenting is topic 4, which is the social predation behavior in South American electric eels from the family Gymnotidae. First and foremost, social predation refers to the hunting behavior of a group of individuals where they work together to capture prey. This strategy is common among many mammals and is thought to be more effective than hunting alone. However, this type of social behavior is uncommon in fish, including the electric eels. These fascinating creatures reside in the murky waters of South America. Despite its name, the electric eels is not a true eel at all. It is a type of fish that belongs to a family of fish known as Gymnotidae. Moreover, their bodies contain thousands of excitable cells called electrolytes, which store electricity like tiny batteries. With their unique ability to generate electric shocks up to 860 volts, that is 7 times the power of a wall socket, these eels have evolved into apex predator of the aquatic habitat. Electric eels were long considered to be solitary predators, where they prefer to hunt and kill their prey at night by sneaking up on an unaware sleeping fish and shocking them into submission. However, the researchers at INPA and the Smithsonian National Museum of Natural History, who published a recent paper in the journal Ecology and Evolution, have made a shocking new discovery about how these skillful predators catch their evasive prey. Moreover, the co-author C. David de Santana revealed that although several mammals display this behavior, only 9 other fish species are known to exhibit this behavior, which is why this topic piqued my interest. The objective of this research was to understand how electric eels hunt in group and the mechanism behind their coordinated behavior. Specifically, the study aims to explore how electric eels communicate with each other during hunting, their use of electric signals to locate prey, and the ways in which they coordinate their movement while hunting in group. During a field expedition in 2012 to investigate the variety of fish found in the Iriri River, De Santana and his fellow authors discovered an uncommon form of hunting in Volta's electric eel when Douglas Bastos, the team member and the paper's first author, found a cluster of over 100 electric eels residing in a small lake. The team further observed another group of similar size at the same spot during their second trip in 2014 and eventually documented the eels' behavior for 72 hours continuous study period. Based on their observation, 4 behavioral states were identified, which are resting, interacting, migrating, and hunting. For the majority of the day and evening, the eels were observed lying motionless at the deeper end of the lake and occasionally coming up to the surface for breathing. However, at dusk and dawn, the eels were more active and began interacting with each other. Furthermore, De Santana and his team witnessed that during hunting, the eels would aggregate and start to swim in a large circle and herd schools of tiny tetras into a prey ball. Then, the eels will split into several smaller groups of approximately 2 to 10 eels encircling the ball of tetras and stunning them with synchronized electrical discharges. The electric shocks caused the tetras to jump out of the water, but when they splashed down, the small fish were stunned and motionless, causing them to be easily picked off by the attacking eels and their compatriots. De Santana observed that during each hunting ritual at dawn and dusk, there were around 5 to 7 instances of high voltage attacks, which lasted about an hour. Based on this observation, the researchers proposed that this behavior qualifies as a case of social predation. For the discussion part, electric eels have a unique foraging tactic where they usually prey alone at night, targeting single resting fishes. However, this tactic becomes less efficient when used against shoaling prey during twilight, as they are aware of the predator's presence and can maintain a safe distance. To overcome this challenge, Volta eels have evolved an increased strength in their highest voltage EODs and group foraging on prey shoals. These two features allow the eels to stun prey from a distance and hunt in groups to defeat the prey's anti-predatory responses. The frequent observation of eel groups moving between two distinct places in the same location over multiple years indicate that the mutual benefit from social predation may be an underlying factor in the survival of this eels group. Thus, the researchers hypothesized that the use of high prey abundance locations, along with environmental conditions favorable for hunting and long-term shelter for multiple eels, favor the emergence of social predation by E. walti. Also, Santana developed some thoughts on how the eels might pick out their groups. According to him, social predation could have emerged based on a simple individual level rule where they keep foraging with the same successful individuals, resulting in a stable group form. Overall, these results contradict the theory that electric eels may have a single foraging strategy and broaden our understanding that the social predation occurs in an organism that hunts with high voltage discharge. Through this new research on electric eels, we can learn that the electric eels who usually live and hunt alone are evolving to hunt in packs to adapt to their environment. That's all from me. Thank you.